Customer dropped his laptop off. He says when he powers it up, he hears a loud grinding sound. So most likely the fan is going bad. So we'll get that fixed for him. He also asked me to upgrade his RAM from 12 gigs to 16 gigs. Because this is his main streaming laptop. So that should make his streams be a little bit smoother. So yeah, let's get to work.
Tie logic in the shop, he work late. HP laptop, daddy make it breeze. Broken fan rattling, he put a case. Dust on the board, now it's clean and neat. RAM in his palm like a new day key. 12 gigs to 16 gigs of RAM. Gaming laptop, hot, he cool the heat. Streaming games smooth when he touch that plan. He don't guess, he know the lane. Green lights blink when he lock that frame. One more check, then it boots again. Tie logic, got the fix in his hands. Tie logic, he bring it back. He bring it back. Broken fan, new fan. He make it spin, he make it snap. Tie logic, HP up. Games run fast. 12 to 16, watch that RAM, not a whole screen.
No more grinding noise.
Like gaming laptop, screaming I would calm down. No more loud grade, just a soft sound. He swap that part, then he test the frame. Load up the stream and to hold that lane. Customer grinning when the logo show. Tie logic say, go ahead, let it go. Black case shut, but the fix still glow. He build that trust in a quick workflow. Yes, he know the lane. Green lights blink when he lock that frame. One more check, then it boots again. Tie logic, got the fix in his hand. Tie logic, he bring it back. He bring it back. Broken fan, new fan. He make it spin, he make it snap.